What's going on, guys? D Creator here, back with another video. And what we got here is the brand new 2020 GT350. Y'all stay tuned.
Red on the beat. Red on the beat.
So what you doing on it right now?
Just putting the front splitters on the three-piece. Gotta do each side at a time and then put the big center piece in.
This piece that goes right on here?
Yeah, it's right there behind you.
Not finished. I thought he didn't want to take out the plastic in it.
Showroom floor, got to. He didn't want to take it out while y'all was fucking.
Go ahead and turn it on real quick. No key detected.
I ain't got the key. I can't drive a stick. So somebody gotta take it off.
Oh, the key's right here.
Ain't much I can do. So I blow it out. It's lying running inside of here. Wow. How you doing?
Yeah, that's a nice Mustang. Oh yeah, really nice.
Is that what's on the 200?
Yep. Yep, 200.
You know somebody's gonna have to. That's what they do in the Indianapolis. They do 240.
Yeah.
Guys, my camera died, so I couldn't finish recording with my other camera. I'm using my phone, but he just got done cleaning it up and it looks magnificent. Hello, Chandler. What's up? It is extremely nice. You need somebody to drive it out?
I ain't moving nothing on the showroom floor yet. So I don't even know where it's going. But I do need somebody to drive it out.
I'll drive it out. I can drive stick.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure everybody here except me because I don't know how to drive a stick. Will drive it out.
Got the good old,
Out in the open. Oh, maybe, yeah.
good old 5.2 Voodoo engine. NA motor, no supercharger. It's nice though.
It is.
It's a lot faster than my car. And your car.
My car's broke.
Yeah. Alright guys, that's about it for this video. I just wanted to show you the process of what a new car goes through whenever it goes through, you know, the mechanic side of things, because most people don't see that at all. Unfortunately, I couldn't drive it or work on it because it wasn't my car to work on. So I had to let the guy that was putting on the front lip do it himself. So sorry that I couldn't drive it and show you, you know, basically a review on it, but it is what it is. But I'm sorry I couldn't get in more detail with the GT350 because I was also working at the time, so I couldn't necessarily do that. I just had to pretty much put the camera where I want it and just kind of walk away and just let it there. So I'm sorry if this video was all over the place, but yeah guys, it is about 6:50. Got to clock in for work, so I'll see y'all guys on the next video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and do all of that stuff. Hit the bell so you get notifications. I'm still planning on going to the track. I'm not sure yet, but yeah. But yeah guys, I'm about to go ahead and clock in for work. I'll see you guys on the next video.